What is going on, everybody? Hope all is well. Just want to say real quick, I hope you guys had a great holiday, and I wish you guys a great New Year as well. Um, Now I'm doing a product review on this seed starter kit, um, and it comes with the light, which is T8, and here's LED grow light, 8 T8, 10 watt. So pretty much information on the grow light. Now it does have this cool switch here. You just like flip that and it turns it on and off. And then the same thing with the the cord that heats up the tray. Um, Now this did not come with the cell trays. So I'll probably buy one. Um, but I'm going to do something different with this one. What I'm going to do is um, I'm just going to get my little pots and put all in here, and I'm going to make this my tomato, grow tomatoes in here. Probably like some tomatoes and then some maybe cucumbers or peppers or something like that. And he could still fill the bottom up with water, which is cool. So it actually has this. It's kind of like an extension. So what I'm gonna do when I'm first starting them out is what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put it low like this, so the light is closer to the seeds. And then once they start to get bigger, so you don't want your tomatoes or your peppers to stretch for light. And once they start to get more established, I'm just going to put this plastic extension on, and then put this one on as well. So I will be making a full video of me growing it in this. So with the light on as well. So I'll let you guys know how it works out, if it's worth buying. Because I like to test my stuff out before I say yay or nay if it's good or not. Now my iPower seed starter kit that I got for last Christmas, I love that it just comes with the humidity dome, did not come with the light, and then didn't come with the extra extension. It was just the tray, the cell tray, and then the heater. And I love that. I grew a lot of stuff in there. I grew some tomatoes, some peppers, some cucumbers, some hollyhocks, some foxglove seeds. So I really love that. So I'm going to try this one out real quick, and I'll put the link in the description box if you guys want to check one out for yourself. I think my wife got this off of Amazon. So, like I said, I'll test it out and let you guys know how I feel about it if you're interested in picking one up. Like I said, my iPower Seed Starter Kit, I love that. It's really awesome. So, yeah, just wish that the cell tray would have came with it, but that's fine. I'm going to do something different with these anyway, so it gives me more room to grow in this. So, that being said, thanks for watching. Please subscribe, and I will catch you guys in the next one.